Hello everyone, this is Lingolab 3.0. My name is Mike, and in today's video we're going to learn about subject and predicate. Let's get started. Alright, before we go ahead and get started here, remember to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the description box below for more links and videos like this. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and start here, and I will start by defining what a sentence is. And here I have that a sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. So I'll go ahead and underline the term here, complete idea, because a complete sentence has two main parts. We have a subject and a predicate. So a complete sentence has two main parts, a subject and a predicate. Let's go ahead and learn a little bit more about those two words. Well, I have here that a subject tells who or what the sentence is about. It tells who, people, what, for things, the sentence is about. We are going to understand this with the examples. Let's check our first example here. And Sunday is my favorite day. So I would say that this sentence is about Sunday. It describes Sunday, and it tells that Sunday is my favorite day. Sunday is my subject. Let's check another example. Two baseball teams played on the fields today. The sentence here is about two baseball teams, so this is here our subject. Okay, I think this is quite simple. The only thing I would like to bring to your attention here is the fact that a subject can be a single word like this one, Sunday, or it can have multiple words like in the case of two baseball teams. Now that we know what the subject is, let's go ahead and check what the predicate is. And we have here that the predicate itself tells what the subject is or was, if we're talking about the past, or what the subject does or did. Let's see this in a couple of examples. Our first example here, the teachers put drinks on the table. So which part of a sentence describes what the teachers did? So I would say they put drinks on the table. So put drinks on the table is our predicate because it tells what the subject did. All right, I guess I have another example. The room of the dance was large. So which part of the sentence tells how the room of the dance was? Was large is the predicate. It is the predicate because it tells us how the room of the dance was. All right, that's pretty much it about subject and predicate of a sentence. Now, I guess it's your time to practice. Here, I'm going to have a couple of sentences, and together we are going to tell which part is the subject and which one is the predicate. First sentence, all my friends get together for the party. All my friends get together for the party. So the sentence here, remember the subject tells us what the sentence is about, and the sentence here is about all my friends. So this is my subject. Get together for the party. We're going to mark it here in yellow. And this is my predicate. So subject, all my friends. Predicate, get together for the party. Let's have another example. Meditation is not as easy as it looks. Meditation is not as easy as it looks. Subject, the sentence is mainly about meditation. So meditation is my subject. What they tell about meditation is the predicate, and this is it's not as easy as it looks. I think I have a final example. Grandma and Grandpa tell us nice stories. I think you can clearly see here that Grandma and Grandpa is my subject. Tell us nice stories is our predicate. All right, so I hope this short lesson was useful, and remember to click the like button, subscribe to this channel if you believe this content is informational. Also, you can follow us on social media. Those are our social media, and peace out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.